Rain is finishing up the doors, and I've been working on the back of the top. Been working on the insides of the windows, smoothing those out. We got these the other day. Been working on the window up here, getting it smoothed out as well. That way he can put glass right in it. I'm getting ready to finish these this ridge up on the firewall. And we're just kind of showing you some progress right now because frankly I'm running the fan, the big fan, and it's killing the audio for us because it makes so much noise. So plus we're getting the door jambs done. And in a little bit we'll be working on the dash. And I'll put some final spot putty on and come out in the morning and work that off. And I think we will almost be ready for paint tomorrow, I think. I'm hoping. I really would like to get this painted by tomorrow evening. Got bills to pay. So y'all check back with us in a little bit. If everybody's wondering, the fella that's having me paint this is going to be a replica of the American Graffiti car, if you remember American Graffiti. And that is the color that they used in on the American Graffiti car. So not quite the yellow that I like, but that's the color of that car, and that's what he's building, is basically a replica of that car. So he's sticking true to form right down to the paint code. I guess he got on some movie forum or something. They gave him a paint code for the car. So we will start. Hopefully tomorrow she's in yellow. We'll see. That right.